Canada, from USA also, right, Taylor? Thank you for following Mr. Butler. So, what's up, guys? It's Monday. Are you at work or at home? I know you're from another country, but I didn't know what time is it there now. Born. Yeah, I know Taylor is from USA. How's life, Taylor? How's work? Hi, Mac. Thank you for following. Oh, you're home or are you living with your parents? Hi, Bigolino, Papa Tax. Guys, follow me. Hi, Dax. Good morning, everyone. Good afternoon na pala. It's afternoon here. It's already 3 p.m. Philippine time. Thank you for topping, Dax. Hello, ID number 180. I'm hungry. ID number 482, shall we? ID number 410, Zerk and Tommy. Hello. Guys, can you make it 1.5? The remaining is only 200. Can you make it 1.5 for me to eat my lunch? I'm so hungry. Brother. Hi, Nuts. Hi, Non. 24. Hi, 24. How are you, NVT? Taylor, are you there? Are you still there? Can you make it 1.5, Taylor? This one. Can you send wanted bounty? Don Carloin, thank you for following. DJ, thank you for always stopping. You can also share my live. Hello, Diamond61. Good afternoon, Diamond61. Kit Kat. Hi, Kit Kat. Sensei, thank you for topping. Mr. Butler. Guys, help me reach it one. Wow, you have a pretty eyes. Yeah, I know. Thank you. Thank you for that. Cold turkey. What's that? What's that emoji, Taylor? Share my live, guys. Share my live. Share, share, share. Thank you. Do I look pretty? Maganda. Hi, Master Lucas. Shall we, Master Lucas? Kamusta po work nyo? Thank you for topping, Master Lucas. Ito tayo, Monday na Monday. Hello, emoji, Diamond63. Shall we? Don Carlon, Art Music. Kamusta work mo, Master Lucas? Kakagising mo lang ba? Hi, Robert. Kain na kayo. Kakagising lang ni Master Lucas sa atin. Feel ko mas bagay sa akin yung paputol yung buko dito lang. No? Joseph, thank you for following, Joseph. Anders, ganito lang ka siya kahaba. Shadow, kamusta ka, Master Lucas? Where are you from?